Okay, so welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. So, if you're coming across this channel for the first time, I am here to take you step by step on how to become a guru in Python. So, I'm going to take you step by step on how to become a guru in Python, how to start coding, how to um build your own project from the scratch, how to become a good programmer. That's what I'm here for. So, first of all, I'm going to be taking you through the questions, and this question will set a path for you on what you are going to learn from this topic today. How the function works is what we are going to work with today. So this question, they are very necessary. There's something you should bear at the back of your mind so that you can pay more attention closely to what we are going to be taking today. So these are the questions to follow. If you know exactly the answer of this question, then I can say you have done justice towards um to our learning today. So we're going to start from question one. And if you think that you know Python already, so I will challenge you also towards to answer this question on your own accord without maybe listening to the teaching before. So you also this question is also going to challenge you how much you know about Python. So let's go ahead with the question. So question one says, why does the following code why does the following code print all the values on the same line with spaces? Why does the following code print all the values on same line with spaces? Print my favorite color, blue, green, red. Why does it print it in the same line with spaces? So answer A now says, because separating values with commas in print functions add spaces between them. A, because separating value with commas in print functions adds spaces between them. 2, because strings are automatically joined together with no separator. B, because strings are automatically joined together with no separator. C, because each call to print functions add a space by default. Each call to print functions adds space by default. D, because Python automatically converts all strings to upper cases in output. D, because Python automatically converts all strings to uppercase in output. So what is the correct answer? Drop the correct answer in the comment section if you know that you're good in Python, or else wait and listen and learn how to answer the questions. Question 2, what would the output of the following code be? What would the output of the following code be? Print hello world. Print hello world. What is going to be the outcome? A, hello world. B, hello world. Pay attention to spelling, pay attention to space. Understand? A, hello world. B, hello world. C, hello world. Hello, comma, hello word, sorry. Then D, hello backslash word. So which is going to be the answer? Which is going to be the answer? A, hello world. B, hello world with no space. C, hello, comma, word. Then D, hello backslash n word. So what is going to be the answer? Question 3. What is the purpose of quotation marks around hello world? What is the purpose of quotation marks around hello world in the following code? Print hello world. Print function hello world. So A now. A, they define a string to be printed by the print function. They define a string to be printed by the print function. B, they are used to call function name hello world. They are used to call function name hello world. C. They are required only if the strings contain spaces. C. They are required only if the strings contain spaces. D. They let Python known to print a variable name hello world. They let Python known to print a variable name hello world. So what is going to be the correct answer to these questions? I would have loved to check the answer to see the one that is correct, but first of all, we are going to go directly into the lessons. So pay close attention if you don't know what all these questions means. And as a Python guru, you need to these are the basics, and you need to know the basics. And if you don't know the basics, it's going to affect you. It's going to make you to when you get to some stage of your coding, you get stuck. You don't know what to do, and that is going to brings a lot of bugs in your coding. That can also make you to stop, because you'll be frustrated and you don't know what to do. So pay close attention and get the basics. These are simple questions in Python that you need to know as a Python guru. So let's go straight to the lesson. The terminal, this is the description. Remember the topic, how print function works. That's our topic. So the terminal is the area where you can see text output from a program. A terminal is the area where you can see text output from the program. Python include print function as built-in function, which means you can use it without defining it yourself. The print function send text and other values to the terminals. Let's take a close look at how it works. A common first program display hello world in the terminal. You can write this program in Python with the print function. So as a programmer starting from the scratch, your first programming word in Python should be hello world. Understand? A common first program displays hello world in the terminal. You can print this program in Python with the print functions. To do that, you just need to put the strings hello world in between opening and close parentheses used to call the print functions. I hope you're getting it. To do that, you just need to put the strings hello world in between the opening and closing parentheses you used to call the functions. For example, now print hello world. You can see that hello world is in between the parentheses and also a quotation marks. It can be a double quote. It can be a double quote or a single quote in Python. It can be a double quote or a single quote. And this quote is telling the computer that this particular word is a string. Hello world is a string. Hello world is a character. That's what this particular string is telling computer to print this word hello world, and this is going to be the output hash hello world. Did you see any comma in between the hello world? No. So print hello world. Hello world is in between parenthesis and a comma, a quotation mark. I mean to say a quotation mark. It can be a double quote or a single quote. Hello world is going to be the output. You will learn more about strings and functions in Python in future lessons. For now, just consider strings as a sequence of characters surrounded by either single or double quotation marks. Understand? Just consider strings as a sequence of characters surrounded by either a single or double quotation marks. In the print hello world example, the strings hello world is an argument. Hello world is an argument passed to the print function. You can also use the print functions to show multiple values or arguments at once by separating them with commas. For example, print my favorite colors are. Print my favorite colors are. If you remember one of the questions being asked, you can see that this is how the question is written. and this is how the output is going to come out. So listen carefully. Print, my favorite colors are blue, green, red. Understand? And the output of this command is going to be, my favorite colors are blue, green, red. You understand? My favorite colors are blue, green, red. That's what is going to what come out as your output. So pay attention so that you can go and answer that question correctly if you do not know it. Python automatically adds a space between each items when you separate them with commas. This is helpful when you want to print several pieces of information together. So when you are inputting your commands or code and you want to print items, pieces like please in a single line command, you're going to do what? Separate those things with commas, and they are going to be between what? A quotation marks, telling the computer that this particular one is a what? Is character, is a string. Understand? So that, and also if an integer, which is we are going to what, go deep into that as well, which integer, if at all you include integer on it, that's integer is the whole number without a decimal point. If it's what included in your list or in your piece, you need no strings on it. Computer is going to understand, or Python is going to understand, that the one that without strings, without quotation marks, is what? Is a number. Understand? But when you put, if you put the quotation mark on it, either double or single, on a number, you are telling the computer that this is not a number, it's just a character. And if you mean to put the number as a number, not a character, you need not put a quotation marks on it, so that it will understand that this is what? An integer, this is the whole number. You understand? So this is how what the print functions works. This is how the print functions works. I hope you have gotten something. I hope this is clear to you. This is clear to you, and this is enough for you to answer your what? Your questions. This is enough for you to answer that questions. Very simple and basic questions that every programmers who use Python should know. Very simple questions. They are basic questions, things that need pay close attention to, because when you're coding, you need your full attention. Understand? It needs your what? Full attention, so that you don't make mistakes. Because if you make mistakes, this is going to bring out errors for you and you get frustrated. So paying attention to what you're coding is very, very important, and these are the basic things to what pull you back, to make you think that yes, this is how it should be. If you're not aware of this, so take notes now and go and answer your questions and come back. So let's go directly to the what question again and see. I hope you have gotten the correct the answers to all these questions. So now it's time for me to do correction. I'm going to do corrections now. I would have left it to but I think let's just do correction. Let's do corrections and see, because I want you to know, and I want it to what stick in your head. Why does the following code print all the values on the same line with space? Print, my favorite colors are blue, green, and red, all separated by commas and quotation marks. A, because separating values with commas in print functions add spaces between them. So B, because strings are automatically joined together with no separator. C, because each call to print functions adds a space by default. D, because Python automatically converts all strings towards uppercase in output. So our answer is going to be what? A. A is going to be the answer. We are still going to check if it's correct anyway. We are still going to check that, so you have to stay tuned. So because separating values with commas in print function adds spaces between them. So when you list your piece, you separate them with commas. Separating them with commas automatically telling the computer that I need space between these items, or between this piece. I need space between them. Understand? That's what you're telling computer. So I strongly believe that first one is the correct answer. You can also what leave your own, the one you choose first, so that I know you're going to go back and check if it was actually correct. This is my own answer. So two now. Question two. What will the output of the following code be? Print hello world. A. Hello world. B. Hello world without space. C. Hello world, comma, word. Sorry, hello, comma, word. Then D. Hello backslash and word. So our answer now is going to be what? The first one, which is A. Hello word. There's comma here in this print function already. Print hello comma word. So the computer already know that this comma is a space. Is a space. This comma need not to what come out physically anymore. So it's going to what just automatically add space between the what hello and word, and which is what I'm seeing right here in the first answer, hello word. So let's go back to question answer 2, which is B, hello word, no space on it. Understand, we tell computer to put space by what commas. Then C, hello comma word. Hello comma word. This is like, it's still, the comma is still showing physically on this one, which I don't think is seems right. Understand? Then D, hello backslash and what word. And I don't think this is the correct answer as well. So my correct answer here is what? Question 1. Answer A. Hello word is the what correct answer here. Then question 3. What is the purpose of quotation marks around hello word in the following code? What is the purpose of the quotation marks around hello word in the following code? Print hello word. So what is the function? What is the purpose? Understand? What is the purpose of the quotation marks? I told you right from when I was taking the lesson that quotation marks needs to add. Why? Because it's telling the computer that this particular line, this particular this thing is a character. Particular word is a character or a string. Understand? So let's go towards our question, our answers, and see. Answer A said they define a string to be printed by the print function. They define a string to be printed by what? A print function. B. They are used to call a function name hello world. C. They are required only if the string contains spaces. Then what? C. D. They let Python know to print a variable name hello world. So, and I think, what do you think the correct question answer is? And for me, I think the only answer that goes well with me is answer A. They define a string to be printed by the word print function. Understand? So this is the word correct answer. I hope you've learned something. So let's go and check our answer. Check your answer here. Let's see if our answer is correct. Okay, you see, it is correct. They define a string to be what? Printed by what? A print functions. This is question 3. This is answer 3 is correct. So question what? 2 now. Let's check the answer. Correct. Hello world is the correct answer. Hello world is the correct answer. Hello world, there's no comma in it, just space alone is enough. So question what? 1 now. Correct. Because separating values with commas in print functions add spaces between what them. So this is the correct. I hope you get the correct answer. If you do, just say yes, me, I got everything correct, and I'm going to clap for you because you've done well. You have done very, very well. So these are the basics of Python, how the print function works. So these are the things you need to know about what the print functions. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. If you stay to this extent, if you stay long to this extent with me, thank you so much. I really appreciate your staying here. So please help me to subscribe to this channel. Help me to subscribe to this channel so that you get updates of my new video that I'll be uploading. It's going to help you a lot to know more about what the basis of what Pythons. Please subscribe, like, and turn on your notification bell, and don't forget to drop your answer, correct answer, in the comment questions. I'll be coming to evaluate them. And if I say that you consistently answering my question, because every of my videos are I attach a question to it, if I see that you are consistently answering my questions, there's a prize attached to it, which I'm not going to announce yet, but there's a prize attached to it, and you're going to get it. Thank you so much. I appreciate your staying here. Thank you, and God bless you. There are also other videos you need to watch. Check. You can go to my channel, check all of it, and you get a lot from it. Thank you so much. I appreciate your staying with me. Bye. Take care.